So you want to design your own logo, but you're not quite sure how to go about it. Don't worry, we can help. Whether you are trying to save money or embrace a do-it-yourself entrepreneurial spirit, designing your own logo has never been easier. The first thing you'll need to do is think about the organization or business you are designing for and what your target audience for the logo will be. What do you want your logo to say about the company it represents? If you are developing the logo for your own business, this process might start by looking at your mission statement and business plan and drawing inspiration from there. If you are developing the logo for a customer, you may need to start with a customer to obtain this information. Let's say his company produces entertaining educational films for kindergarten through 12th grade. With this in mind, you need to know what your target audience will be, your potential customers. The second step is to brainstorm ways to reach your audience by experimenting with the look and feel of your logo design. Try different word associations and sketch ideas as they come to you. Given your audience and your product and service, think about how your logo should look. For example, a hardware factory might be solid and symmetrical looking, but a logo for a floral shop should look soft and flowing. Remember, design determines the message. Once basic thumbnails and concept sketches are made, it's time to test those ideas with your customer or a test group of potential customers. With any luck, this will give clarity on which rough ideas should be taken to the next level of development. With the green light to go forward on an idea, you can begin to develop the logo. To do this, you will need computer design software like Adobe Illustrator or CorelDRAW. The following demonstration is in Illustrator. To get started, you can scan in a hand-drawn sketch of a logo concept as a reference and open it in Adobe Illustrator. Then, when in Illustrator, you can select the pen tool to draw the basic outline of the shape. Various guides and rulers can be used to perfect curves and angles that are hard to draw by hand. If you need more help and practice with programs like Illustrator, Adobe's website, lynda.com, and YouTube are all great places to find how-tos for learning the basics. Once you have the basic outline of the logo drawn, you can use Adobe Photoshop or Illustrator to apply color, gradients, effects, and other finishing touches. You will want to check to make sure your logo can be reproduced in both color and black and white, as well as a variety of sizes to make sure that the logo is recognizable in a variety of media and differing environments. When finished with designing, Adobe Illustrator and Photoshop gives you several options for saving and exporting your work. Make sure that you keep at least one copy of the final version in a workable .ai or .psd format, and create other file formats as needed for printmakers and customers alike. And there you have it, a finished logo design. If this is your first time designing a logo, be patient. Even with this overview, designing logos takes some practice before you may be completely satisfied with the end result. It may seem like a lot to juggle, but keep at it. To recap, we covered how to define your goals and your target audience. Also, how to brainstorm the logo design, how to test concepts and designs you come up with, and a brief introduction to Illustrator which can be used to finalize your logo design. And lastly, the various file formats you can save to your logo design. With this video, you should be designing in no time. Way to go, Mr. Do-It-Yourself!